How does it taste? Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. It's Sunday afternoon, and then today we'll be having Ofada rice stew. I don't know how it's pronounced, Ayamase stew or something today, so I'll just be cooking that, and then let's see how it goes. I hope it doesn't end up being a disaster, honestly. Okay, so I would be using Simi-Rimi's recipe. I'm going to put a description or a link in my description. What am I saying? I'm going to put a link in my description, so just in case. But let's see how it goes. To start with, I would want to boil my eggs. Yeah, let me just start with that. So I'm just going to try to do as many things as I can do at the same time. I've put my eggs in here to get boiling. I'll use this one to start. Yeah, what have I done? I'll use this one to start off cooking the Ofada, and then I'll use this one to bleach the palm oil while I go on to prepare the pepper, chop them, and all of that. So palm oil, yeah. According to Simi-Rimi, the peculiarity of this is such that you use a lid that has got no vents, and this is the only pot I have that can do the job, so I've just put it in here. I'm going to shut this now. I think she said for about 35 minutes each. Allow for another 30 minutes in low heat, and then I think that's it. This one now I've set it to 2, so I think that's quite low enough, or maybe 1, but I think 2 is fair enough. Yeah, that's it. So this is the water for the Ofada boiling now. I would go on to rinse the Ofada and leave it to parboil for a while before I wash it again. Just the peculiarity with Ofada anyway. So this is my rice. I'm just giving it some quick rinse first of all before I pour it in there to be parboiled. This Ofada rice was a gift from a friend. It's nearly a year now, but it's just been in the house. I've just decided not to cook it for reasons best known to me, but today we are cooking it. So I'll just rinse it again one last time and then put it on fire to be parboiled, and then also clean it at that point. So this is our boiling water. I'll put the rice in here to be parboiled. So now I'll try to, I'm going to focus on the peppers now. Because I don't have a sieve to sieve, if I go on to blend straight up, I would be putting the peppers in an oven, like oven roast it basically. Babe, why are you laughing? Why were you laughing? I would roast it for a bit, for about 30 minutes ish, and then just go on to blend it afterwards. So that's what I'll do now. The palm oil is just still here. According to Simi-Rimi, she says do not open it until after the 30 minutes, so I'm not opening it, and then we're still waiting. I think it's about 15 minutes in now. We're going on to the peppers now. Yeah, so these are the ones I've got. I'll just be rinsing them. I've got the pointed sweet pepper. I've got the green one. I think the Ofada stew is just more of the green, so I've got loads of green here. I've not got any green peppers or green beans, sorry. I've got scotch bonnet, the green one too. I've got some onions. Yeah, so I'll just be washing this up now, and then putting it in the oven for a bit so that the fluids can drain off basically. So all my peppers are chopped now, and my onions, the yellow one, the green one, I've got the red one down here, all chopped now. So I'll just be putting them in the oven here, right here now. I'll be selecting the bake or roast option. Yeah, so Sisi Jemima said that it should be at 180 degrees, so I'm just gonna set it to 180 degrees. We should roast for 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna increase this time from 15 to 30 minutes. Yes, that's it. Gonna shut this and I'm gonna start. So while that goes on, I will go on to wash my rice again. This is it now. Yep, so this is the rice. I've poured it from the pot right here now. Just going to be sieving it a bit. My eggs are boiled now, so I would be taking this off to peel them. Yeah, so while we're waiting for the pepper to roast, this is the palm oil. I've left it to bleach. It's about 45 minutes now. I turned off the heat about 30 minutes into and left it just like the recipe said, Jemima said, so that all the fumes and all. This is the first time I'm trying to bleach palm oil this way, so I'll be very glad if it does work. So I'll just be opening it. I've not opened it since then. I'm just opening it now. Oh wow, this is great. Like, it has absorbed all the fumes back and I can't even smell anything per se. And see, it is as bleached as you would want it. Wow, this is a great method. Wow, I would advise that you adopt this method in bleaching your palm oil. So I'll be transferring this out of this pot into here where I'm going to be making my Ofada stew. So I'll go on to chop this onion now for my stew. This is about, left it just about 13 minutes now, so nearly done. I'll chop this now. So this is just left it about 2 minutes. This is what it looks like so far. Yeah, so I'll just leave that now, and then I'll set the food processor up. I need the blade here. I'll pick up the blade, and then it's cut up somewhere. Yeah, this one up. So this one goes up. This comes in here. It's in. Yeah, and it's ready. So I'll just wait for this to be done now. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All done. Stop. Thank you. Open this now, and this goes into my food processor. I'll just grab my tongs here. Do this ones first because I've got a very big one. So this one comes onto the side now, and then I have this one, the food processor. So this is what it looks like after blending now. I don't think I'll be using all of this, but let's see how it goes. So I have the things I need now. This is onion, locust beans, the egg, the meat. I've poured my palm oil in here. I'm just going to switch it on now to medium heat and get cooking. Ofada, all done. First thing going in is the, oh, I'll just hold on a bit. So I'll just leave the onion for a bit. Yep. Then the iru goes in. Does this not look nice? After this goes the crayfish. Sister Jemima said she just puts a little quantity, not so much, because of what, I don't know. So I'll just put that bit. So my chopped peppers go next. Covering it now for a couple of minutes. And with this, I'll come to the end of this video. See my husband in the background. I'll come to the end of this video. So, well, maybe not the end, we might still see us eating the food. I want to try to clean up now. I'll leave this for a bit more and then we'll get to eat.
Fún irinwó ọdún ó lé ní ọgbọ̀n. Ọba tó fi mánà bọ́ wọn títí tán fi wọ ilẹ̀ ìlérí wọn. Ọba tí ò jẹ́ kébi pa wá.
Olúwa ó ṣé.
Ọba tí ò jẹ́ kójú tì wá.
Olúwa ó ṣé.
Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ ṣeun bàbá.
Olúwa ó ṣé.
Adúpẹ́ pé à ń pè yín jẹ́, adúpẹ́ pé gbogbo bá ṣe ń ké sí ilẹ̀ ń dá wa lóhùn bọ́ pé ẹ̀yìn yìí.
Olúwa ó ṣé.
Ọba ògo lórúkọ Jésù.
Àmín.
Bàbá, adúpẹ́ fún ìpèsè yìí. Ẹ ṣeun fún okun láti sè. Ẹ ṣeun fún àwọn tó pèsè rẹ̀ fún wa. A sì dúpẹ́ fún ohun gbogbo tí ẹ̀ ń ṣe fún wa. Ẹ gbogbo ọpẹ́ lórúkọ Jésù.
Àmín lórúkọ Jésù.
A fẹ́ jẹun, ṣùgbọ́n a rántí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn tí wọn ò rí ohunkóhun jẹ. A dúpẹ́ pé a sì ní irúfẹ́ ipò táwọn wà. A fi ọ̀wọ́n ṣùgbọ́n a fi ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé ojú rere yóò tàn mọ́lẹ̀ sí wa lára. Àti tí wọ́n ń pè à ń képe fún irúfẹ́ àwọn ènìyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n wojú yín fún onírúurú ohun tó ń dùn wọ́n lọ́kàn. Ọlọ́run alágbára, ẹ dá wọn lóhùn.
Àmín lórúkọ Jésù.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ ọ̀gọ́gọ́ ibi tí bàbá ti ń tan wọn lẹ́sẹ̀. La fẹ́ gbọ́ àwọn òróró ìtura síbẹ̀.
Àmín lórúkọ Jésù.
Bí a ó sì máa jẹun ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ yìí, a pàṣẹ ìbùkún sórí oúnjẹ náà.
Àmín lórúkọ
Oúnjẹ
Jésù.
náà ò ní gbòdì lára wa.
Àmín lórúkọ
Kò ní
Jésù.
ṣìnà, kò ní ṣìrìn.
Àmín
A
lórúkọ
máa
Jésù.
jẹ́ ó máa ṣe wá lóore, ó máa ṣe wá láǹfààní lórúkọ
Àmín
Jésù.
lórúkọ Jésù.
Orúkọ yóò sì máa dúdú ga nínú ayé wa.
Àmín
Ẹ
lórúkọ
ṣeun pé ẹ
Jésù.
ti gbọ́ ẹ̀sìn gbogbo àdúgbò ẹ̀fọ́ ẹ ti ṣe.
Dúpẹ́
Gbogbo àti
lọ́wọ́.
ọlá, ọpẹ́ àti ìyìn fún ọkọ nínú yín.
Àmín
Láyé
lórúkọ
àti lálá
Jésù.
ní orúkọ Jésù. Mo
Àmín.
sì gbàdúrà ní pàtàkì fún ìyàwó mi arábìnrin tẹ̀rùn lọ́wọ́ láti múlẹ̀ sí lára.
Àmín lórúkọ
Ẹ ti
Jésù.
lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ ayé gbogbo.
Àmín lórúkọ
Ó má ṣe
Jésù.
bẹ̀rù ọdún.
Àmín
Ó má
lórúkọ
ṣe
Jésù.
wọ bàtà ọ̀fọ̀.
Àmín lórúkọ Jésù.
Ìyá ni yóò máa di
Ní
pa
orúkọ
ọgbọ́n
Jésù.
lórúkọ Jésù sí àgbàdúrà.
Àmín. Àmín. Àmín ní orúkọ Jésù.
Láìdẹ̀ bùkún.
How does it taste, husband man?
Tastes really good.
Are you sure? Are you sure you are telling me what I want to hear?
I'm serious.
Okay.
I'm not telling you what you want to hear. I'm telling you the truth.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you so much for coming to this video. Thank you for so much for your love. If you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please do well to subscribe, and then so you see me again in my next video. I remain your darling Omobeejay. Remain in God, and God bless you. Bye.